Warhead 4451 leaves the
Warhead gets a unique the arming flag comes off, and the safety pins are pulled. High-strength steel casing.
Here the Warhead waits in climate
Nevada, or maybe serial number 4451. No lights, no logos. 8 bolts each torqued to exactness. One pilot 30 seconds from release to impact. The pilot confirms the Warhead. The GPS modules have arrived from Switzerland, each one sealed and tracked from the factory to this bay. Each module contains 4 million transistors and 12 satellite channels, all weighing just 1.4 grams. The cleanroom removes 99.9% of airborne particles, because dust is the enemy of precision. Solder paste is applied at 0.12 millimeter thickness, because every connection starts with this gray foundation to show manufacturing foundation. Heat activates the paste at 260 degrees for 6 seconds, creating a permanent metallurgical bond to show transformation. Automated optical inspection catches defects smaller than 40 microns because no solder bridge or cold joint survives this machine to highlight perfection. The ceramic antenna resonates at 1.5742 GHz on the L-band because the GPS signals live at that exact frequency. Conductive epoxy creates the electrical path between the antenna and the receiver because solder would damage the ceramic to demonstrate specialized assembly. The MEMS gyroscope contains microscopic tuning forks that vibrate at 20,000 RPM sensing rotation with 0.1 degree per hour drift to show miniaturization. Each of the 24 pins must be soldered individually because a single cold joint would make the gyroscope read incorrectly. 3 gyroscopes and 3 accelerometers work together to know position in 3-dimensional space because a guidance unit must always know which way is up to convey dimensional awareness. The software corrects for each sensor natural drift, creating a dead reckoning system that remembers true north even when GPS is lost to show redundancy. Military-grade electronics must survive from Arctic cold to desert heat, so the calibration corrects every 5 degrees of change to launch forces exceed 10,000 G, so if the board survives 20 Gs on the test table, it will survive the rocket motor. 2-part epoxy creates a molecular crosslink when cured, turning liquid into armor, because the guidance electronics must be protected from shock and moisture. The epoxy fills every cavity around the components, because air gaps would allow tampering or moisture ingress to show finality.
Vacuum removes 99.8% of voids, because a single trapped bubble could create a failure point under launch stress to show purity.
Heat cure at 80 degrees for 4 hours creates unbreakable molecular bonds because the epoxy must be as hard as ceramic to protect the electronics.
If we cannot X-ray it, we cannot trust it, because the epoxy hides nothing from the scanner to show transparency.
High-strength steel casing coated with chrome yellow paint because yellow is the international color for explosive ordnance identification. Each thread is inspected with go and no-go gauges, because a single cross thread would prevent the guidance unit from seating properly. The guidance module seats into the casing with 0.05 millimeter alignment tolerance, because the brain must fit perfectly inside the body to show union. 8 bolts each torqued to exactly 8.5 Newton meters, because over-tightening could crack the epoxy, and under-tightening could allow movement to show discipline.
The fuse well houses the backup battery with a 10-year shelf life, because the guidance system must remember its position even when main power is off to show redundancy.
Loose wires chafe, and chafed wires short and short circuits destroy, so every cable is dressed with military-spec precision to show neatness.
Parylene conformal coating ignores moisture, salt, and fungus, because the electronics will face every environment from jungle to ocean to show immunity.
The shell closes, and inside lives a $30 GPS module and a $1 million guidance brain, now sealed forever. Helium atoms are the smallest molecules, so if helium cannot escape, neither can pressure or moisture, making this the ultimate leak test to show invisible perfection. Every warhead gets a unique serial number etched by laser, because this number will follow it from factory to flight to final rest to show identity.
1,000 simulated missions with every possible failure injected, because the guidance system must learn from mistakes before it flies to show thorough testing.
Inside this chamber, we control the sky with 12 simulated satellites in perfect geometry, because the real sky is unpredictable to show deception. Every millisecond of flight data is logged and verified, because 8 hours of recorded data proves the guidance system is flawless. One stamp represents 2,000 hours of collective work and 60 seconds of pride, because human judgment makes the final call to show approval. Yellow must be perfect, because this color identifies the weapon type to everyone from the armorer to the pilot to show irony. Paper never crashes and ink never corrupts, so this warhead now exists forever in the analog archive to show history. From factory to fighter, 6,000 miles in a wooden box, because the crate is as important as the contents to show protection. No lights, no logos, and no tracking, because the shipment must disappear until it reaches its destination. Nevada, or maybe Guam, and the crate does not know because final destination is classified until arrival. The serial number 4451 meets her airplane as the final installation is completed by the armament team. One pilot, one weapon, and one mission, because the human in the loop makes the final decision to show responsibility. 4451 leaves the ground as gravity takes over, and the guidance system awakens to show flight. 30 seconds from release to impact, a $30 GPS module guides a $1 million weapon to a 5-meter circle to show payoff. 4451 is gone, but 4452 begins tomorrow, because the factory never sleeps and the demand never ends. Smart weapons, because dumb ones cost too much. Final vibration check ensures no component loosened during transport, because every shock from loading dock to runway is recorded to show vigilance. 8 hours of flight data now stored on this memory card, because the maintenance team must review every guidance decision after the mission to show accountability. This memory card is now classified because the guidance performance data reveals proprietary algorithms to show security. The memory card joins millions of others in this temperature-controlled vault, because data from every guidance unit is kept for 20 years to show permanence.
Here the Warhead waits in climate-controlled silence until its serial number appear on the next mission manifest.
6 months later, the call comes, and Warhead 4451 is activated for its real mission to show readiness. Before every mission, the Warhead receives a fresh inspection, because even 6 months in storage can reveal nothing, but perfection is mandatory to show thoroughness. The arming sequence requires a cryptographic key, because the Warhead must not activate until the pilot sends the final command to show security. Warhead 4451 meets the same wing pylon where it first flew 6 months ago, because the bond between weapon and aircraft is mechanical trust. Safety pins prevent accidental release on the ground, because the arming flag is the last thing removed before takeoff to show discipline. The pilot confirms the Warhead is online, and the guidance system reports all sensors nominal, because the machine must talk to the human before flight to show verification. The arming flag comes off, and the safety pins are pulled, because the Warhead is now ready to think and guide to show finality.
Warhead 4451 leaves the ground for its real mission, and the guidance system awakens for the last time to show departure.
The $30 GPS module guided the $1 million Warhead to a perfect impact, because precision is the only acceptable outcome.
Every warhead has a story, and 4451 now hangs here as proof that smart engineering saves lives.
This video is the result of a deliberate human-AI collaboration. Every step from original concept development and gift-based storyboarding, the final visual generation with VO3, is guided by human creative direction. The ray outputs are then professionally edited, color-graded, and refined in post-production using industry-standard tools. We follow a strict 7-step transformation for a framework to ensure each scene offers distinct educational value. This process guarantees 100% originality and full compliance with YouTube's 2026 monetization policies on synthetic and altered content. We do not use reused, repurposed, inauthentic content practices. Every frame is built from scratch as original digital art.